Cool, let me wash my face with the cake soap. Cool, let me wash my face with the cake soap.
My love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna show them my face now. Don't be surprised.
That's weird.
Like me, I come here for go somewhere. So like me say, why not do a vlog? So see my mother start it. She go left me. I don't know how me I can meet her and them thing there. So we're gonna come here and thing. I see me can get space on my phone coming out of space. So guys, let me move this. Why am I lighting them ever? So I come here. Tell me what hairstyle I should do. Yes guys, I start patting my hair and get my hair back up and running, you know. Because like sometimes I don't care for my hair. I don't know why. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And yeah. So I go up on the road. I'm gonna go up on the road. But I still gotta sign up something for my school again. Guys, I have been making videos, but guess what? I don't got any space. So today I gotta look and see if we can get a memory card and all of them things. You see me? So that's it. So I'm gonna catch you later. I'm gonna shower. I catch them here up in a top, up in a one. Ouch. Yeah. And do all of that nice stuff. Wash my face and things. But not bathe because like who showers? I do. I'm gonna do them things then and come back. I carry me on the road, so you have to buy my food.
You can't say for them you wanna go on the road.
No, you carry me on the road. I have to give me fear and them things then.
You keep on them you wanna go on the road and you never find no fear.
What you mean? Mother don't take care of their children? Mothers stop taking care of their children? Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna hear the ladies say she not pay me fear and them things there. Yeah. And now buy my food like what? Food? Come on, food is a must.
Yeah, that's what they stop them because you cannot be fat.
Wanna hear that? I'm gonna take that on a Thursday. May I get fat guys? Look for me. Look for me guys. My fat guys, tomorrow is Black Friday and we all are broke. We are broke. Me and Uno, but like dog. So me I gotta do up my ear in a one and my edges right just look like them and come back. Ooh. So guys, I'm gonna do my hair up in one Ooh. I'm a sponge there. Maybe finding something. Never it. Guys, I want aloe vera. I'm do an ear mask Sunday. I'm a cool video that, because guess what? When I have no space. I don't know what's taking up so much space in my phone. I mean, I don't have pictures and no stuff. I don't have pictures, but I don't understand why so much space. Why? Just I'm going to here. We got our eco gel. We're just going to do it quick. See if mother can wait for me. Mommy, don't say anything. I'm not going to wait for me. Wait for me. Oh, but when I build it, yeah, shall we put guys, shall we put I shall buy me food. So me hurry up. I'll meet up another food. So guys, I don't think I'm clear. I eat liquor with our food. Like with this so skinny. I eat. Wait, are your birthday? I don't know where they're right now. Still, but I use that soft one, you know. And do quick and fast. Spain town say beat them, but don't beat them. Why am I singing a song there? line up the bang of phone and cheat them. They are Gucci, so I'm gonna mix them. Wow, me look distinct. Distinct. Alright. Hope this ketchup good enough, guys. Even if I ketchup good the same way, so me I go with. Guys, somebody need to get me some braids for Christmas. By the way, guys, I'm going to be doing vlog. Oh, I'm start over that. I'm going to be doing vlogmas. So what I want to say, I'm dedicated sometimes. So I'm gonna do vlogmas. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna video every day. So make sure you watch the video, I watch the other them, and we are good to go. Okay? We're gonna be besties this Christmas. We're gonna be sisters. James Charles sisters. Hey guys, what's up, sisters? Whatever. James Charles is, guys. So brother, guys, I be a James Charles. I watch over there. Look on my ear. I look distant. Yeah, that's what I got school. I'm not doing the edges now. I'ma shower and get back. Yeah, I'm back. My mother still there, guys. So I'm not telling you now. I am going to be doing my skincare routine and do, but that's a Oreo. Is it me? Guys, give me money.
Today at Thursday, not Friday day at KFC.
No, Friday day, KFC any day. So guys, my brother Richie want KFC. They can KFC should have this Black Friday sale, brother. I'm gonna join the line 5 million times.
Oh my god, I'm going to the belly.
Bye. Hello. So basically do that. I never for do my edges. So we done that. Why me I wipe so much please? My neck and them thing there. So sunscreen and moisture. Alright, so this is sunscreen. Wow. You're not having nail remover? See nail remover here.
See acetone, yes.
Yeah man, that's what we did. Speed tune say beat them but so me. Why me I put on so much sample on my face? He's a clown. Guys, may I look for the moisturizer. I saw it, but I don't know where it's on.
See chaka. You see that, guys? She very chaka.
Guys, I told you somebody else fling it somewhere.
She chaka.
Period. Guys, and hear my mother?
Yeah, chaka.
Ladies, I'm lazy. Guys, when I'm there in yard, I lie down in the bed all day. I'm not go to the room. I already tell her that early. So what should I tell her? Don't leave. I mean. Alright guys, so we're going to rub it in right now. But I feel so excited today. I'm not actually I buy my food.
You don't buy it, no.
Ooh, cool like wash my face with the cake soap. Cool like wash my face with the cake soap. Cool like cool like wash my face. Guys, if you haven't watched my skincare video, go watch it right now. The link will be right here.
The front wheel, the back wheel bust. But the front wheel nothing to do it. It's just something there. It just the wheel one change alone.
Guys, I want to know about bicycle.
You still want wheel and tube?
How much money that they give? How much
Two grand.
How much for wheel? How
Minimum.
much for tube? So the tube alright? I just
Yes.
So just buy wheel. Tell me its size. 1x2. No man, my ear is dirty. Cause this now go through. Guys, I don't really wear earrings. I don't know who are up in my head today about me wear earrings. I'm fling me out them before me reach me hard watch. Sheesh. Ouch. Money for wipe off my slippers. No, why my ears feel so? Guys, if it, I don't even know if I'm medicated ears ring this. I hope some ears do start scratch me. Because like, I only can wear medicated ears. 26. So you not have 26 times something.
Times 1 and then 75.
What you know about wheel? You don't know nothing.
And that idiot.
You just tell me say 26.
Times
So,
1.
no, if me never ask
75.
you, I would have said. You don't know nothing about bicycle. Me a bicycle legendary. Me a bicycle veteran.
Shut up.
But this one put in my video. See you in there too. Smile. Smile? Oh my god.
Take it down.
Take it, you make this last one.
But the Iscal, you need to take the Iscal.
Alright, so we're going to spray up on
One of
our
the
body. My lotion? Guys, I'm gonna buy one lotion. Me until I say, them here smell good together. And guess what? Me run out of space now, you see me? So, catch you back until I save some space. You see me?
Anyway, don't know
Huh?
don't do that.
I don't know how money I could
Oh,
pay
you
money.
know much you can see, you know why your money don't have?
So I can't buy nothing.
A popcorn chicken you want?
No.
You have to be popcorn chicken.
What for 2 kilos?
Guys, I'm gonna.
1,050.
Guys, my mother could be. Guys, so if you see me on the road, you smell me, I say, ooh, that girl smells sweet. If you don't know me, you know, say me a cologne, God, you know. I spray cologne like tea, that. You see me? I'm gonna have one cologne, guys. You can't buy a pull that you want. Oh. Don't beat them bad from everything. Line up your bang of okay, guys. So, on my first day. On my first, guys. I'm gonna let you with my first. Oh, my first, yeah. My first empty still in a bowl. I have to carry my purse. A mask. I bet my mother not a mask. But doesn't know. Should I wear lip gloss? Oh. My mother go wear lip gloss. My mother go wear lip gloss. Where's my phone? Alright, I have my phone. When me I left? But I left nothing. I like my school. I go with my mother anyway. She I go come on food. So, yeah. Oh, guys, me look at my beard. I'm in a beard. I joke my beard. Hey, if nobody ever comment and talk about me don't beard. Guys, I'm actually bearding now. I just don't know why me. Ooh,
Candice.
me.
Why your face not rub off good?
Wow, where there?
Sunscreen for your face. Candice, but you got
Me no walk on the road.
Why?
I don't like walk on the back.
I'm gonna walk on the back. But son.
Mala. Bye. We are walk on the. Me look cute.
Candice,
Ooh.
if you walk on the road, we'll take longer for reading.
No, I saw we are go. Guys, listen, my mother just saw me say I look so pretty today. Guys, I'm not gonna be my mother, you know, because I'm not, you know, I'm disgusting. But guys, I'm also not left. Why not? It's the one I look like myself. Watch that video. Oh my god, but look at my forehead. Oh, so
Lovely forehead.
we are walking. I go look at distance. We go get one taxi for go Portmore. And go do business and all of them stuff in there. So catch us later. I'm gonna show the outfit of the day. Well, I can't see good, but I see we can get a better picture. But like, I look so cute. Ooh, talk to me nice. I'm not space still, guys, but I'm gonna try to upload a video here. So stay tuned. Not a bag of people are look for me, but yeah. Right now, everybody will live down here. Must know some of the YouTube come. Ever walk with my phone in that video. But guys, yeah, I have something to tell you also. So stay tuned for that. So guys, we're gonna get a taxi. I only can record 6 more minutes. Like,
I would be walking. I forgot these days, you know, like.
hello, you can a $200 driver charge.
Oh, you cannot walk?
Me not walk, me and meet me over Sabrin go sit down. In there, I don't know if in there ever full. Maybe I go inside, but them have one ATM out of the way. You can work with Scotia? ATM. I go deposit some money.
No, you have to go.
Mommy, me just ask. I swear to God. One Scotia there over Sabrin. I can't bother walk. You can't get a local car. Jesus.
Guys,
soon buy a car. No one on sell.
So you can buy me a car and buy yourself a car.
Oh Lord.
Hungry.
We are hungry. We're on the move. Yeah. People must have said, why that girl have about her phone like that? I'm bad. Nobody can hold this. I look like my beard up and all ears ring.
I don't know how far you go.
How better I'm always here. Hope we get taxi. Taxi I pick it for yourself. So guys, we're at the bank. I'm sitting down. Yeah. Cause the me sit down like my mother. Yeah. And I'll check back with you. So I have a class 2:30 and then look at me I got a class thing.
Class 2:30?
So yeah. Right now we're at Wendy's trying to get something to eat because we're hungry. I know I'm gonna reach a school and things, but that's alright to have to do. So if I'm not reaching time, so you see me. So we'll get something. I feel like I want a wrap. I don't know more. So I'm gonna go buy mine, but yeah. So I'll check in back with you guys if we get one bus or two. So we're not sitting in here and eat. I don't want to with Wendy's, you can sit down and eat. One thing with Wendy's.
Update, seizure, girl civilian just shake. One day live up like she just upgrade. London girl, with a set yacht mate. Trinidad, New York, upstate. The line of the line, them block date. When we say white news upgrade, first up, black black stuff straight. Line them up, think me a run fade. Get them just straight. Jump up, just wait. Get them up.
So guys, we're in a bicycle store right now. We need to buy some from Brother Bicycle.
Yeah, man. Every day I wear 26 by 1.75 stars. Oh, you sell it. Can I have one, please?
So I'm still up on the road and with their case, you know, mother day in a school shot. John the line for me come home, but use the bank. And I don't know what time I reach my yard, honestly. So I'll check back with you when I'm home because I'm on a space. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.